Yeah, you can.
Because that's not
Yeah.
fair.
Hang on a second, did we say there's other information about ground passes? Yes, there is. This Australian Open Life produced by Wise Words Media. We're based in Melbourne, Australia. We are experts on all things Melbourne Park and all things Australian Open 2025. Bringing you the sights, sounds, summer of tennis. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching whatever I'm playing over the top of this audio-only radio-style commentary. You're listening to the bloke who walks. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And we'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.
You? Yep. Yeah, you can.